Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is Roop. So today we are going to do a Brat makeup. So you guys can accessorize yourself and make yourself look like a glam doll, and if not so, you can keep yourself simple as well and that'll look pretty. If you guys wish, you can also wear ethnic jewelry, some bindi, and make your doll look like a traditional doll. So if you guys want to know how I get this look, then please continue to watch. If you are new to my channel, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon. You can follow me on my Instagram as well. And now let's start. So first of all, I'm going to take a primer. This one is by NYX. It's called Angel Wheel Primer, and I'm just going to apply it on my cheek area, a little bit on my nose, and some on my forehead as well. And then I'm just going to blend this on my face like this. And after that, I'll be taking an angled brush. This one is by Essence, and I'm also going to be taking ABH brow pomade. The shade that I have is called Granite. So I am just going to do my brows. I'm not going to make my brows thick. I already have thin brows, so I'm not going to do a lot of work on my brows. So I'm just going to keep them very thin, just like the Bratz have. And after that, I'm going to be taking a foundation. This is MAC Studio Fix foundation. The shade that I have is NC25, and I'm just going to apply it all over my face first of all. So I'm just taking the back side of a brush. It makes it very easier to to take out the foundation from the bottle when you don't have a pump. So yeah, now I'm just going to blend the foundation on my face, and for that I'm using a CEL beauty blender. You can find it at Nykaa. It's a beautiful beauty blender. I mean, it's a nice beauty blender. So I'm also going to apply some on my neck as well. And then I'll be taking the Blood Sugar palette. This one is by Jeffree Star. It's a beautiful eyeshadow palette. So I'll be taking a nude eyeshadow from this, and I'm just going to outline like this. Now this technique I have learned from James Charles. He has also done Brat makeup, and I learned this from him. So yeah, I'm just going to outline the eye area like this. So this outline is actually going to be a guideline about how bigger you want to make your eyes look like. So yeah, this is how I'm just going to create a very light outline. And after that, I'll be taking this dark brown eyeshadow, and I'll be taking this on a flat brush, and I'm just going to apply it on my upper eye area. I mean, I'm just going to apply it on my eyelid like this. And yeah, this is how I'm just going to create a line, and then I'm just going to cover the entire eyelid with this eyeshadow. And I'm just extending this eyeshadow in the inner corners like this, just so that my eyes look a bit bigger. And after that, I'll be taking a blending brush, and I'm going to be taking the I'll be taking a light eyeshadow, and I'm just going to blend the brown eyeshadow like that, and I'm just going to diffuse it. So yeah, I'm just taking a slightly flat fluffy blending brush to do so. And then I'm gonna take Maybelline Drama Gel eyeliner, and I'm gonna take an angled eyeliner brush, and I'm going to create a bit longer winged eyeliner. So I'm just doing it the same way I do in my other tutorials. So I'm also going to create a wing in the inner corners as well, just like this. And then I'm just going to fill in this gap between the two wings like this. And after that, I'm going to take NYX white eyeshadow base. I do have some white pencils as well, but I don't want to rub them on my under eye area because it's a very very soft skin under this area, so I don't want to mess up with that with pencils. So yeah, this one is quite creamy, so I'm going to be using this one. So I'm just going to fill the empty space that I left. So yeah, this is how I'm going to do. You can take a flat brush, you can take an angled brush, whichever you are comfortable with, and yeah, just fill this outline that we created earlier. So after applying this white eyeshadow base, I'll be looking something like this. And now I'm going to set this base with this white eyeshadow. And now I'll be taking a brown eyeshadow and a pencil brush, and I'm just going to create a very light ball. And then I will slowly I'll be making it a bit darker. So I'm using a dark brown eyeshadow to do so. So yeah, this is how I'm going to I'm just going to create a ball. So I'm just going to increase the intensity of this eyeshadow. I'll try to make this brown eyeball look like darker and darker. What am I saying? Yeah, okay. Then I'll be taking concealer. This is MAC concealer, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes like this. I'm also going to apply some on my forehead, a little bit on my nose and my chin, and also I'm going to cover my lips as well. And after that, I'll be taking same beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend the whole thing nicely on my face. And then to set this concealer, I'll be taking Maybelline loose finishing powder. I think I have the medium shade, and I'm just going to apply it right on right wherever I applied the concealer. So yeah, I'm just going to cover that up, and then I'll be taking a small flat brush, and I'll be taking a brown eyeshadow, and I'm just going to outline this white eyeshadow base just like this. And then I'll be taking a small blending brush, and I'm just going to blend a lighter brown eyeshadow right under this, and slowly I'm just gonna darken it up just like this. So now I'm just going to create a black line under, in between this brown and white base. So I am using again the Maybelline Drama Gel eyeliner. If you're not comfortable with a gel eyeliner, please go with a liquid eyeliner, because that is going to give you a very nice coverage in just one stroke. So definitely go for that one as well. And now I'm just going to darken it up. I'm darkening up this black line. And now I am taking PAC Smart Tip eyeliner, and I'm just going to outline this brown eyeball. And after that, I'm just going to create some fake lashes like this. And I'm using the same eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. And now with a powder brush, I'm just going to dust off the loose powder that I applied on my face. And yeah, this one is going to give me a very nice finish, matte. It's going to mattify my face. So yeah, I am doing that. And after that, I'll be contouring my nose, and I am taking a flat brush like this. So I'm just going to try to make my nose look smaller like this. And then I'm going to contour my I'm going to contour my cheeks as well, and I'll try to bring my contour as close to my mouth as I can. So yeah, this is how I'm going to do. I will be contouring my forehead as well, since I have a large forehead, and also I'll be contouring my what it's called, chin as well. And then I'll be taking blush. This one is by NYX. It's called Summer. It's a beautiful, very pigmented brush, and I'm just going to apply a bit too much of blush on my cheeks because why not? It's a doll, and yeah, dolls have that pinky thing on their face going on. So yeah, I'm going to apply a bit on my chin, my nose, and my forehead as well. That's okay, it's okay. And then I'll be taking this highlighter. This one is by Nykaa. It's a glow getter highlighter, and I'm going to apply a good amount of highlighter on my forehead, on my nose. I'm going to apply some on my chin, and then also I'm going to highlight my cheeks as well. And yeah, I'm also going to apply some on my brow bone also. And then I'll be taking this red liquid lipstick from Equality collection by Jeffree Star, and I'm just going to first of all I'm just going to apply it normally on my lips, and then if I feel like I need to make my lips bigger, I will do that as well. So it's a beautiful lipstick. It's called Red Rum. Yeah, it's a beautiful lipstick, beautiful name. It's a red lipstick, but it has that a little bit of pinkishness in it. So yeah, this is how I'm going to apply the liquid lipstick. And after that, you can wear a wig or you can set your hair according to your wish. You can accessorize yourself, and with that our Bratz makeup is done. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much guys for watching. I really had so much of fun while creating this look. Please leave your feedback in the comment section. I will be very happy to read your comments. And yeah, I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you so much guys. I love you all a lot.